You know how I said that bleached brows look good on everyone? Well, I kind of forgot to mention that it also makes everyone look like they died about 5 summers ago. Yeah, I love bleached brows, but it also makes a person look dead and not well. I was thinking of dyeing my brows back again, but then I realized I really like bleach brows whenever I have like a full face of makeup on, but I don't always put a full face of makeup on. So what if I dye my eyelashes today so I can make myself look good without brows and without having to put makeup on? So that's what I'm going to do today. But I also am going to put some makeup on because I'm literally wearing nothing at all right now and I don't look well. This face really needs some concealer. So I'll be right back. Oh! I thought I made myself look better, but I'm actually not really sure right now. Is this better? I don't know. I look horrifying. I'm so sorry you have to look at me today. I'm so sorry. So I've got myself some lash and brow color. So yeah, I've never used this stuff before. Do not know if it's good. Supposedly this stays on your lashes and brows for 6 weeks. I'm not gonna put it on my brows obviously because that's very intense. Also, I'm putting it on my lashes so that I can keep my brows bleached. Let me open this bad boy up. Looks fancy schmancy. I think that this is just like a toner and like a developer. Just like regular hair dye. But it's cute how small it is. So it comes with like the dye portion. Then I also have got some of these like, I'm pretty sure these are like protectors for my eyelids. Right, makes sense. 2 cotton swabs and a little brush. Ah, beautiful. Okay, let me read the instructions. Okay, wait. So first, I have to put like the liquid stuff on my lashes. I have to let that sit for a minute. And then I have to brush like the gel on there. And then it's like done. That's all I need to do. I would have expected it to like let it sit on your lashes for 15 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. But it doesn't say anything like that. Just like this for 1 minute, then this, and then it's done. So I've got that little eye thingy over here. And you have to stick it under your eye by using a cream. So I got some eye cream, which I guess is like the best one to use. Don't want to put it in my eye. Not that type of eye cream. Ah, that works. It feels incredibly uncomfortable, but it works. Then I have to take the liquid. Oh my god, no! It doesn't want to stick. Wait, I thought it worked so well. Okay, let's just use liquid. Then I have to drench my lashes in this stuff. Oh my god, this is not working. Look at it. I don't know if this is the dye or if the gel is the dye. Because I do feel like they're getting a little bit darker, but nothing extreme. Oh no, 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 no! Oh my god! I put it on my eye! Wait, I need to go, I need to go! Okay, I'm fine. Okay. And oh my god, I accidentally put it like on the inner part of my eyelid. Damn, that burned like crazy. I do not think that this is good for a person, but yeah, it's also not that bad. So let me just continue. Oh my god, I saw it happening. I literally saw it happening. Let's now use the gel. The gel looks like very slimy. Can you see? It's like jello. That's not what I thought it was gonna look like, but okay. Can't believe I put it in my eyes. That's so dumb. There's almost no difference at all. Did I really just almost burn my eyeball off for this? Like, there's almost no difference at all. Rude. Very rude. I'm pretty sure that it didn't do anything. Maybe I also just really need a lash lift because I can see that they're a little bit darker, but they're still like standing like straight forward and downwards. So maybe that's also like part of the problem. What if I like curl them up a little bit? Is there gonna be a big difference? I guess it looks a little better, but it still looks fucked up, boy. Okay, let me do the other side, but then without the annoying like paper underneath my eyes, because that just was making it even harder. Okay. Firstly, use the liquid of death. Can I still see with my eye? Yeah, that looks great. Okay. It's not working. It's working even worse on this side than on the other side. I don't get it. The fuck? This didn't work at all. What the hell's going on? Wait. My lashes have become like slightly darker, but they're definitely not like jet black, and they're definitely not making me look more alive right now. Let me just try to curl them again. I feel like this is a big failure. Oh my god, my lashes look so bad. Look! Oh my god, no, this is not good. I used to have like beautiful, long, luscious, curly lashes, but I keep destroying them with makeup and with falsies. So now my lashes are looking pretty yucky. And unfortunately, dyeing them did not help at all. It definitely looks a little bit better now that I curled them, but this curl is not gonna last. So yeah, this was today's video. This was a very short video, a very bad video. I'm sorry, I just really thought that it was gonna work. I mean, it worked a little bit though. I'm not gonna like say it completely failed, but it definitely is not like the result that I thought it was gonna have. And I almost burned my eye off. So yeah, I think the next time I'm going to do something like this, I'll probably like let a professional do it. That might seem like a great idea. Another failure in the life of crystallindyy. At least my tattoos look cool. That kind of helps me cope with all my problems. Anyways, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. I will just be wearing falsies because this is not the way to go. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Kisses, bye bye, kisses, bye bye.